My name is Victor Advani Freeman. I'm from Sweden. I have a master's in psychology and a bachelor's in social work, and I work in a clinical setting with addiction counseling and for psychiatric care. And I'm a board member at the Swedish Existential Society for Existential Psychotherapy for the past 3 years. So I have a pretty sound knowledge of existential philosophy and psychology. And about 2 years ago, I just stumbled upon this training. One night I was just Googling and I was wondering if there would be some kind of existential therapy training in Europe, which I could maybe consider. And I was amazed to find this training. I wrote to Alfred in the middle of the night. The next day I had a message for an interview, and I'm so glad I joined this training. And I can cite a few reasons why I'm so happy about being a part of this training. Well, firstly, it is about gaining a deeper understanding of oneself, like Alfred so nicely put it. Living means answering questions when you're questioned by life. And this deep philosophical insight has really helped me find a stable ground within myself and then even in clinical practice. Just to give you a few examples from my own clinical practice, I just feel that it's very easy to integrate this model into the clinical practice because all rehabilitation is existential and we're always looking for personal answers. So for every client that I've had in addiction counseling, I can really integrate this because it's about finding the personal answer. And there's also very good understanding of psychopathology, like Alfred mentioned, these four fundamental motivations. So it's very easy to conceptualize when you're working as a clinician as to where your client is having a problem. And then according to that, then you would plan a treatment and design the therapy. So all in all, it's a beautiful way of practicing both counseling and psychotherapy, which is why I highly recommend it. If you're looking for psychotherapy with depth, and if you're looking at truly empowering your clients and finding a personal answer with existential themes together, so this would be the best way to train and work. And like I said, I've been very closely involved with the British School of Psychotherapy. And this was my choice because I just felt it has a more clinical application. So if you're looking at that, this would be the first choice for my site.
Thank you.